Bamboo Shoot Girl. Once upon a time, a young man who worked in a tub shop was cutting bamboo to make a tub. "Hey, the man over there," and I heard a voice somewhere. "Who is it? The one who calls me?" I looked around and said, "Here, here. I can't hear you. Come and help me." Again, I heard a voice that I didn't recognize, and the voice seemed to be desperate. The man looked around again, but he couldn't find anyone. "Find the thickest bamboo in the bamboo. I'm sitting in there." The man looked around, found the thickest bamboo in the bamboo, and carefully cut the bamboo with a saw, and to his surprise, a small girl was sitting in the cavity of the bamboo. The girl jumped out of the bamboo and said with a relieved expression, "That's great. I'm free. Thank you for helping me get out of the bamboo. Why on earth were you in such a bamboo?" "I've been trapped here for a long time because of God's punishment. I was very naughty. I did something outrageous. God must have thought that it couldn't be done as a simple prank." "What did you do?" "I've destroyed many of God's precious treasures. God has exceeded the limit of patience. That's why He punished me and locked me in a bamboo cavity." "I've never heard of such a story. I haven't heard your name yet. What's your name?" "I'm sure there was a name, but I've already forgotten it. It was a long time ago. Call me a bamboo girl." "I got it. A baby girl of bamboo. It looks like a young child, but how old are you really?" "I was punished when I was 8. It's been 100 years since then. That's why I'm 108 years old now." I was surprised. He's much older than me. "I've been sleeping in here for a long time. Come to think of it, thanks to you, I woke up and was able to get out of this bamboo. So before I go home, if you don't mind, I'll make your wish come true. But there are only 3. Tim, what you think?" "That's right, if you say so." 1. I want to be a samurai. I've been thinking since I was little that I wish I could become a samurai. I got it. I'll make your dream come true. Keep your eyes closed until I count to 3. Good thing. 1, 2, 3. When I opened my eyes, the man had become a samurai. It's hard to believe, but I'm a samurai. I'm going to do it. In other words, the man stretched his spine and left, and the bamboo girl also went all the way to the heavenly world. The end.